XRP, we start with 1 hour chart. And first, we have been looking for buy again since the price was here. Then in my last update, I mentioned we have to either book some profit or move our stop loss to break even. And this is what we get. Okay. No one see what's the next. And at this point, who are still are keeping the trade, at least book some profit and at least move their stop loss somewhere below here or higher. Okay, now we want to see whether the price can break 3.2 or not. If there is a breakout of 3.2 is good. If not, then we can look for the reversal. But before we look for the 3.2, we have to see the breakout of the stop. Okay, anyway, with the breakout of 3.2, then we're looking for continuation. If not, then maybe we get the reversal. And even at this point, we want to see whether the Bitcoin can break the all-time high or not. Because if there is a breakout of the all-time high for Bitcoin and breakout of the 3.2 for the XRP, then we can look for continuation and we can look for breakout of the 3.6 for Bitcoin for XRP 3.6. Then from there we can look for 4.2. Anyway, we move to daily chart, and if we refer to the daily chart, we want to see the breakout. First of all, whatever the lines we have here is nothing, okay, just indicative. And we have been looking for this correction. We mentioned we're looking for the reversal. Now we want to see whether the price can continue from here, or we can expect this one turn to a more complex correction. Okay, that's why we want to see the breakout of the stop, which is somewhere around 3.2. If there is a breakout, it can give us better confirmation for continuation. Then from there, we have to look for the previous stop. That means at this point, to confirm this one is in and we're looking for the reversal, we have to see the breakout of the previous stop, at least this one. Because if not, maybe we will get this one. Okay, and as I mentioned, we want to see whether the price of Bitcoin will break all-time high as a sharp and we see the continuation or not. Because if for the Bitcoin with the breakout of the all-time high, we have been looking 435K. Okay, anyway, we move to higher time frame. We move to monthly chart, and for the ETH with the breakout of the all-time high, sorry, for the XRP with the breakout of the all-time high, which is somewhere around 3.6 or 3.65, we are looking for 4.2. The 4.2 is not the target. We want to see the breakout of the 4.2, because with the breakout of the 4.2, or we can consider this one as a short-term target. Okay, but for me, I'm looking for 5.4 and above, somewhere between 5.4 and 6. This is the targets I'm looking for. Again, 5.4 and 6. This is at least what I'm looking for. The breakout of 4.2, we want to confirm, because as long as the price is below 4.2, we can expect either this one turn to a more complex correction, and even we can expect the price to retest 1.97. Okay, anyway, we want to see whether at this point we want to see the breakout of the 3.2, as I mentioned, based on daily chart. All right, because if not, then we can expect this one turn to a deeper correction. Okay, we want to see the breakout of this one and we want to see the breakout of 4.2. And whether we can look for buy or not at this point, if we refer to the lower time frame, for me, I'm not looking for buy at this point, because we have been looking for buy since the price was somewhere around here. Because at this point, if there is a breakout of this stop, we see the continuation, then we can look for buy. Okay, that's mean at this point, the only thing is I want to see the breakout of the 3.2 and managing whatever the trades we have within this move. All right, anyway, I don't think I don't have anything else to talk about. The only thing is, as I mentioned, if we move to 1 hour chart, whoever get the trade for buy, either from, because we have been looking for buy from here, either from here or within this zone, at least move their stop loss somewhere below here or here. Okay, and in this case, we follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.